Thing that, as far as benefits from this chair, the most important thing that I like about the chair is the pelvic feature. And when I found out this was a functional or a therapeutic chair, the main feature that I'm always talking to patients is where the pelvic feature is in the chair. When you can do an arch tuck movement in the chair, that feature, I think, is the strength of the chair, okay? Now, elbow heights, arm heights, we find that in other chairs, but in this chair, that along with the pelvic feature allows the chair to be very functional.
So explain more what you mean by the pelvic feature.
This part of the chair is the pelvic piece, okay? And you'll see it moves. It's what makes SpinaliS Chairs different than any chair out there. Now, that movement, whether it be side to side or forward and backward, is what allows the chair to be functional, okay? And with the chair set to the person's posture the right way, it can support the movement of the body and not put pressure on the lower back.
Okay. What else about the chair do you like?
Well, the features of the chair, to me, the most important feature in any chair is the pelvic feature.
Okay.
And for a low back problem, this chair is crazy good for taking pressure off of that disc or nerve involvement. And the person that has the chronic back pain, this chair is perfect for them.
Okay. Are there other chairs on the market that have that feature?
They do, but I don't believe they have the feature that moves like this.
Okay.
I can't 100% say there's not another chair that moves like this.
But you haven't come across
one. But I've
one.
never seen them.
Okay.
And I had a patient in here that quoted one of the higher line chairs that he had spent close to $2,000 on his desk chair at home. And he quoted this name brand that I don't get into name brands. I don't get into names. All I know is that when I tell the everyday person, go look for a chair that has the ability to tilt the hips, they would find it, and it would be fairly expensive, you know, easily $1,000, which would put them out of their price range a lot of times for the average guy, okay? But anybody that has a spinal problem, this investment makes a big difference, you know? For me as a chiropractor, since having this chair, and I've had it in the office now about 3 months, I actually feel like my adjustments are holding better. Okay.
You're not the first chiropractor I've heard say that. No, that was just as a chiropractor and why you decided to carry this chair in your office and recommend it to people.
In having the chair in the office and recommending it to patients, that is one of the features in that we found that anybody that's going to start sitting, myself included, in this type of chair, my adjustments are holding longer. Okay.
And you guys have this chair that you use, and you have
this one, and we have the task chair, and then we also have the other one at the front desk.
So you're currently using 3 of them in the office right now. Okay, great. I'm going to stop it.
That's good.